everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I am out here in the garden about to get planting. I'm going to plant a few different varieties of carrots today, and I wanted to talk about the easiest ways that you can go about planting these carrots. So I'm going to be planting today into this round raised bed smart pot here. This is their middle size. This is the 50-gallon one that it was formerly called the Junior. So what I'm going to do, I'm planting 4 different varieties of carrots today. So I thought this one would be fairly easy to split into 4s, and it's one that's fairly deep, so that way carrots should do really well here in it. The first way that I want to talk about planting carrots that is super helpful for us is this seed tape. So I have this here. This is the Carrot Parks Rainbow Blend from Park Seed. And this, if you've never seen these before, this is seed tape, and it's absolutely amazing. It is super helpful because these carrot seeds can be super tiny, and especially if you have little kids helping you, this makes it so much simpler, and you're not having to fight with dropping a bunch of carrot seeds and then having to thin down a whole bunch. So this just makes it a lot easier. So really all you do, you just take this and break it apart. And then you're just going to bury this directly in the soil, and the seeds will sprout directly from here. So you don't have to place them super deep. I usually just barely push them gently down underneath the soil and then cover them up. Oh, the wind's picking up and it's trying to blow my seed tape away. There's that one. And then I'm just going to push them again gently down here and bury them underneath the soil. Super fast and easy. So like I said, if you have kids helping you, it makes it go so much smoother having to do this rather than messing with the little tiny seeds. And you can also make your own seed tape too, just not quite as simple as doing that, right? And then I already made all of my labels here. So this one was a rainbow carrot. I'm going to make sure that I put my label over here for it. And then I'm also going to pull up the From Seed to Spoon app, and I'm going to go to the Garden Plus section, and I am going to put in there that I started some rainbow carrots today. So that way it will give me an estimated sprouting date and also an estimated harvest date too of when I should be coming out here and beginning to harvest these. Okay, next I'm going to be planting some carrot hybrids. These ones are Scarlet Nantas, and these ones are not the seed tape. Obviously, they came in a regular seed packet, and so carrot seeds are quite a bit smaller. So you can also plant these quite dense. We usually do about 16 per square foot. So in order to eyeball that, this seeding square makes it so much simpler, rather than having to just look around and estimate where you're going to be putting them. Just looking through here and going, okay, every single red area here, I'm going to drop 1 to 2 seeds in and then come back and cover it up afterwards. So the seeding square makes it so much simpler too. If you are not using the seeding tape, this just makes it go so much smoother whenever you're planting carrots. So I'm just going to come in here and drop 1 to 2 in every hole here. And if you're interested in these seeding squares, we actually have them in our Park Seed store online. You can see links all throughout the app also for these, because we are a big fan of these. They helped our kids learn colors and counting and all sorts of things. And obviously this makes it so much easier for planting carrots and beets and so many of these things. Well, I'm just gonna go through now and finish planting the other 2 carrots over here that I have in the top of this bed, and hopefully we will be having a harvest of carrots coming up soon. I just wanted to share these 2 biggest tips that we use to save time whenever we are planting carrots in the garden. Because before we learned both of these, we were not planting a lot of carrots because it was just such a pain to have to eyeball how many to put in or having to mess with the tiny seeds. But now that we discovered seed tape and the seeding square, it has just made our life so much simpler whenever we're planting these. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I'm really excited to get planting a lot of other things out here in the garden, and we've also been planting a lot already too, including some potatoes and onions and lots of seeds indoors, seed starting, and other bunch of random tips and stuff. So make sure you follow our YouTube channel and check out more of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and we'll see y'all next time.